Hello, and welcome to my page. I go by the name of Gribbz. I'm a Melbourne Shuffle Dancer living in Phoenix, Arizona. I've been consistently working on my craft for 4 years now. I want to share it with you and the world because I love giving back and spreading peace, love, and positivity. That's what it's all about. My why? I started this new page in business because I love to help others, especially those less fortunate, how to dance and just be yourself. To spread peace, love, and positivity, as I mentioned earlier, because the world could always use more of this. Why Melbourne Shuffling? I love this style so much. I always go back to it. It's highly addictive. It was my gateway that opened my eyes to the world of dance, which is huge if you didn't know. I believe everyone should be doing this, or at least try it once, or any style for that matter. You see, dance paired with your favorite music or tune will set you free. I truly believe that because it's worked for me. Now, I want to remind everyone watching this that there is no age limit to dance. You might think you have 2 left feet, but trust me, there is a raver or a dancer in everybody. Some of the benefits of shuffling and dance in general: it keeps you healthy by being mobile and getting exercise. It gives an insane amount of stamina. It makes you feel good and amazing. It gives you great confidence, and it can help depression. And if you have a lot of stress or tension built up, it's good to get it out often. In the coming weeks, I will be posting how-to tutorials for the fundamentals of this dance, so that you or anyone interested can learn how to do this. This is not a hard dance to learn, but like anything with practice and consistency, you will get the hang of it. What you put in is what you get back. In March, if things go well, fingers crossed, I will be launching the first class. This will be absolutely free to sign up. Details to come. I want to give this knowledge away to whoever is willing to take their dance to the next level, or if you're a beginner and want to learn a fun new style. In return, I would greatly appreciate it if everyone that took the program would leave me a testimonial and tell others that may be interested in taking this class in the future, so that I can continue to help grow this dancing community, because this is what I love to do with my life. Lastly, thanks for everyone listening, and if you're new to this page, give it a follow for future updates. Keep shuffling and keep dancing. So a little bit more history on me. Like I said, I live in Arizona. I started a shuffle dance crew 2 years ago, this January. So it's actually our anniversary this month. So that's pretty cool to have made it this far, 2 years. I just want to say that if you aren't dancing, you should be. It is opened so many doors for me, and it's just amazing. It makes you feel euphoric. And you know, when we're growing up, we look at people and we look at them, we go, man, that, you know, I could never do that. Well, yes, you can do that. As I mentioned earlier in my notes here, Melbourne Shuffle specifically is not a hard dance to learn. A lot of people have a stigma of, you know, they have 2 left feet, as I mentioned earlier as well. That is not the case. It's just practice and consistency with anything, you know. You ride your bike long enough, eventually you're gonna get the balance to ride without training wheels. Well, that's exactly how it is with dance and anything else in life. You know, you have to practice at it, but you have to want it, you know. But taking this program and listening to your favorite music will teach you how to, like, tap into, like, a deeper self, and it will allow you to open up more and express yourself in so many different ways that you wouldn't believe. Something I didn't know until I tapped into what's called the flow state, which is a real thing, about a year ago or so. So I just thought I would give some more supplemental information about this program coming up, and to stay tuned. There will be more details coming, and yeah, I just want to encourage more people to dance and to feel good about themselves. Like, this life is just way too short, and I thank the stars every day that that I found dance, that I found, you know, Melbourne Shuffling, because it has really cured me of so many things, and it's made me so happy. And yeah, so if you guys have ever considered getting into a dance, I would start here, because this is where I started, and 4 years down the road I'm still with it. I'm 29 years old. I feel great every day. Music and dance are therapy for the soul. So always remember that, and stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys soon.